poste ng Dubai Metro. Taas ng tubig. Grabe, papalakas yung hangin sa kaulan.
Coming too much. Rain. आगे तुम मैं कौन करेगा इधर कौन हाँ too much water so okay.
Bago na talaga yung panahon sa buong mundo. Climate change na talaga. Dati-dati wala nang ulan pagka ganito ang April na. Pero ngayon, grabe. Yung iba, mga nakahinto na yung mga sasakyan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Hinto na muna sila. Dito pa lang tayo sa Kaputa Mall. Kasi yung tubig dito, ayan, yung tubig, malalim ng tubig dito, ayan. Ito sa may papuntang Kaputa Mall. Maraming lakas. Maraming na. Sa pipe?
No. Some area water
Huh?
or some area
Yeah,
water.
some area more water. Which area that one? Madam
Discovery Garden.
Discovery Garden. Napakarami ng water is heavy waters now. Taas na yung tubig doon sa papuntang Discovery Garden. Okay, dahan-dahan lang kami, nasa 50 to 60 km/h ang speed namin. Kasi yung tubig na sa gutter masyado nang pataas na siya. So kung magtutuloy-tuloy itong ulan na to, baka magigilong na doon sa Exile Road. Huwag naman sana. tayo sa may Dubai Marina. Yan sa bandang kanan natin, kaliwa, Dubai Marina. At sa bandang kanan natin, yan ang Jumeirah Lakes Tower. Linis na ang mga building. All building now pre-cleaning, ha?
Clean, eh. Number one.
No need more money, pre-cleaning. Oh, pani dyan, pani. Too much water now.
I am going right, maybe right.
Where? This right?
Yeah. I have road.
Yeah.
Then right.
But what happened to this poster?
So turn, maybe going right.
Going right, there's no problem.
But,
There's a warning device ahead. See?
where go? Where go?
No chance.
Maybe then right.
Yeah, other.
Then right.
Yeah. You can turn right in the next row.
Next one.
Mabi. So ganito na po kataas ang tubig dito ngayon, oh. Ayan, oh. At nilagyan na nila ng yan, warning device. Ano na siya.
Maybe going now.
This way?
Yeah. This way, right.
Okay.
Right, okay.
Yeah, right, okay. No. Only that place have too much water.
Too much water.
Yes. That area. Here there is no water. Yes.
अन्ना किधर गया
Okay, so malakas pa rin ang buhos ng ulan. Dito pala kami sa may parteng Dubai Marina at Jumeirah Lakes. So, may susundon pa kami.
Was it good lodging?
Ha?
Lodging good.
Oh, traffic. Traffic ahead.
No problem.
Slowly maybe. So,
But
all Gadi now slow down.
no, this is not water.
Where? This area there's no more water.
Not water.
Yes. Not too much.
Yeah. But going right.
Yes.
Need right.
Need right, huh? Right turn?
Upside.
Upside? You're going up, no problem.
No problem.
Up, no problem.
Left then the right. No problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
This area.
Yeah.
water that side, that area.
Ito rin na kapag. Ito na kapag.
Hmm. Not too much water.
No problem.
Normal only.